Good morning.
Yeah,
This is Mrs. Conrad and
Willa. That's what we're going to make.
And today we're going to make
Pink.
pink
Play-Doh.
Pink sparkles. We're going to make glitter bottles. So first you need a bottle, any kind of bottle.
More bottle.
You need a little bit of soap. You need a little bit of warm water. You can use glitter, or you can use beads, or you can use Legos, or you can use anything that you can find around the house to put in a bottle. And then if you want to add some color, you can use food coloring. And Willow, what color did you choose?
Pink.
Pink. We're going to make pink glitter bottles.
Pink.
So first with our bottle, we're going to take off our label. Can you help me peel off the label? Now we have a clear bottle so we can see all the glitter and things we put inside. Now we're going to fill our bottle up 3/4, so almost to the top, with warm water. Now we're going to add our glitter. Willow, what colors did you choose?
Pink.
Pink and yellow. All right, can you take the lid back off? Okay, now that we have our pink and yellow glitter, we're going to add, that's okay, some soap to our bottle. Can you help me squeeze?
Yeah.
We're going to fill the rest of the bottle up with soap. Whoop, all the way to the top. All right, and then you know what we forgot to do?
Yeah.
We should probably shake it and then add our food coloring. We put the lid on it. All right, give it a good shake. Let's add in a little bit of our food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just along the way. All right, now give that a good shake. Ooh, what color is it turning?
It's turned red.
It is red. Let's see if we do this. Ooh. Sparkly. And that is how you make a glitter bottle. Make a great day. Have fun. Bye.